va dicendo ad ogni cosa, ai fanali illuminati, ad un gatto innamorato che randagio se ne va. Grazie. So this was the last song for now. We start again in probably 5 to 10 minutes. But don't forget, take a business card. Giacomo will be there, close to our case. He can give you a card. You can stay in touch with us. Also, if you need some Italian music, I don't know, for your next wedding, well, here we are. We fly from far away, but you're able to come. If you need us, take a CD, and thanks again for your donations. It's thanks only to your support if we can keep going doing this amazing job of buskers and going around the world and playing music for the people. Thank you for your time. We wish all the best. Caps Orchestra on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Giacomo Gamberucci Cello to find Giacomo's personal pages. We wish all the best. Stay safe. Take care. Ciao!